Whoa. What is that? Oh yeah. That is a star in the sky. Let me zoom out so you can see. Unfortunately, you can't see anything. And here's the house. That's a star in the sky. Zoom back in on that. Oh, it's faded out. Oh, there it is. What is that? Whoa. This is like a core. It's like an eye. All right, and just for the record, that's the star. I'm using a different app right now, and I'm using Heavens Above to look at it. That's the star. And I'm trying to figure it out. Now, it's saying Venus is... that. It's saying it's Venus. It's calling it Venus. Okay. Yeah, what was that, dude? Why was it a square again? I caught that on video that time. No, this thing's literally forcing it back down. Stop. Yeah, that's in the sky right now. That's Venus. That is Venus. What the hell was that? Because like, I'm not touching this freaking tripod right now. Okay, I haven't touched it for like 30 seconds. No, that thing, just see it, it's gonna do it again. Oh, what is that? Why is it doing that? Oh, I don't even want to touch the camera right now. Why is it? I'm not touching the camera. No, this is insane, dude. That thing's doing crazy stuff right now. It's changing shapes. It's morphing. Whoa. Okay, it's pulsing. It's going crazy. Oh my goodness. All right, behind a branch it went. All right. Now it's back from behind the branches. All right, I gotta move this just a little bit. Oh, man. Oh, there we go. It's doing the big blow up square thing again. What the heck? There we go. Well, we got a good spot. All right, I have stopped touching. Stop moving. Yeah, what is that? Oh, man. Whatever it's gonna do the big square thing again. Come on, do it again. Okay, we've zoomed back in on it. Let's lock our focus. Yeah, big square, big square. Yeah, what is that? What is that? What is that? Why is it doing that? No! No. Sit still. Just sit still. All right, there you go. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. The wind might be vibrating it back and forth just a little bit. Might be causing it. All right, it's not windy now. The wind stopped. All right, that thing's moving too. And I'm using the grid lines on the screen as my reference. That thing's moving a lot right now. Like it's moving really quickly. Whoa. Yeah, dude, this thing's doing crazy stuff. All sorts of craziness. Oh, man. Okay, why is it moving like that now? It's going up and down. Again, I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm glad how seriously I'm not taking this right now. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Okay, I moved it. I moved it there. There we go. We're trying to get in its path of travel. All right, I'm not touching the screen. I'm not touching it. I'm literally just standing here looking at the screen, wondering what the hell I'm looking at right now. Because again, Heavens Above says that's Venus. I didn't know Venus turned into a giant light square. Oh, where's it going? Oh, crap. Yeah, there we go. We lost it behind the trees.